Dear children, last day I taught you drainage system. Drainage system in this chapter, Sundarban Delta, the Brahmaputra river system, and main characteristics of the Peninsular river के बारे में पढ़ाया था. Now the basin of Peninsular rivers में फर्स्ट नर्मदा बेसिन. नर्मदा बेसिन कहाँ से निकली है, कैसे बहती है, कौन सी लोकेशन क्या है, उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज क्या है, मतलब सहायक नदियाँ कौन सी हैं, इसके बारे में देखें. कहते हैं इम्पॉर्टेंट बेसिन ऑफ पेनिनसुलर रिवर. फर्स्ट है नर्मदा बेसिन. नर्मदा बेसिन नर्मदा राइज इन अमरकंटक हिल्स ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. ये मध्य प्रदेश के अमरकंटक नामक स्थान से निकलती है. फ्लो इट फ्लोज टूवर्ड्स द वेस्ट इन रेप्टी वैली फ्रॉम ड्यू टू जियोलॉजिकल फॉल्ट. मतलब जियोलॉजिकल का मतलब भूमि की बनावट के आधार पर ये एक वैली घाटी बनाती हुई बहती हुई आगे पश्चिम की ओर बहते हुए पश्चिमी घाट से होते हुए अरब सागर में जाके गिरती है. क्रिएशन ऑफ लोकेशन क्या है देखिए. इट क्रिएट मैनी पिक्चरस्क लोकेशन लाइक द मार्बल रॉक नियर जबलपुर where the Narmada flow through a deep gorge and Dhondadhar Falls where the river plunges over steep rocks. Tributary. All the tributaries of the Narmada are very short in length. Most of its tributaries join the main stream at the right angles. The Narmada basin covers parts of the Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Now, Tapti river. Rise the Tapti, the second large river of the peninsula, rise in the Satpura range in the Baital district in Madhya Pradesh. आप मध्य प्रदेश कह सकते हैं. Flow. It also flows in a rapid valley parallel to Narmada, but is much shorter in length. Basin. Its basin covers part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Narrow coastal plains. The coastal plains between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea are very narrow, so the river flow through the region is short. River. The main west flow river are Sabarmati, माही ये मालिका है, और भरत पूजा एंड पेरियार. Now the Godavari basin rise. The Godavari is the largest river of the peninsula. It rises from the slope of Western Ghat in the Nashik district of Maharashtra. Length. Its length is about 1,500 km. It drains into the Bay of Bengal. Its drainage basin is also the largest among the peninsular rivers. Basin is covers parts of the Maharashtra. About 50% of the basin area lies in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. Tributary. The Godavari is joined by a number of tributaries such as the Puma, the Vardha, Parhinta, Manjara, the Vanganga and Penganga. The last three tributaries are very large. It is also known as the Dakshin Ganga due to its large size and extent. नाउ महानदी रिवर्स बेसिन, शॉर्ट में राइस हाईलैंड्स ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, mainly flow Odisha to reach the Bay of Bengal, length about 860 km. Drainage, its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. Krishna basin. Krishna, the river lies near Mahabaleshwar in the Western Ghat. Krishna flows for about 1,400 km and reaches the Bay of Bengal. Tributary Tungabhadra, the Koyna and Ghat Prabha, the Musi and the Bhima are some of its tributaries. Vaishya, its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Kaveri basin rise. The Kaveri lies in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghat. Flow, it reaches Bay of Bengal in south of Cuddalore in Tamil Nadu. Total length of the river is about 760 km. Tributaries, its main tributaries are Amravati, Bhavani, Hemavati and Kavini. Basin, its basin drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other rivers, besides these major rivers, there are some smaller rivers flowing towards the east, for example of Damodar, Brahmani, Baitarni and Swarnrekha. ये अन्य नदियाँ हैं जो दक्षिण प्रायद्वीपीय भाग में बहती हैं और ये बंगाल की खाड़ी में गिरती हैं. Lakes in India. Everyone is familiar with the Valley of Kashmir and famous Dal Lake. The houseboats and shikaras, they attract thousands of tourists every year. Nearly everyone of us has visited some other tourist spot near a lake and joined boating, swimming and the other water games. The importance of lake can be imagined from a supposing and other water games. The important lake can be imagined from supposing if Srinagar, Nainital and other tourist places had not been fitted with the lakes. They would not have been so attractive as they are today. Have you ever tried to know the importance of lake in making a place attractive to tourists? Apart from attraction for tourists, lakes are also useful to human beings in many ways. India abounds in lakes. These differ from each other in their size and other characteristics. There are important as well as seasonal lakes. Seasonal lakes contain water only during the monsoon season, that is, the lakes found in the inland drainage basin of semi-arid region, that is the Shamar Salt Lake in Rajasthan. Its water is used to produce salt. Formation. Lakes in India are formed by different processes. Some lakes are formed by action of glacier and ice sheet. Some lakes have been formed by wind. Some formed by river action. Some formed by human activities. Are meander rivers across a flood plains from cut-offs. These cut-offs later developed in oxbow lakes. Spits and bars from lagoons in coastal region, that is the Chilka, Pulicat and Kaluru lakes. Freshwater lakes. Freshwater lakes are formed when glacier dig out a basin. The basin is later filled with the snow melt. Most of the freshwater lakes are in Himalayas region. These are formed by action of glacier. The Uller lakes in Jammu and Kashmir is the result of tectonic activity. Uller Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India. The Dal Lake, Nainital, Bhimtal, Loktal and Barapani are some other important freshwater lakes. The damming of the river for generation of hydropower has also led to the formation of lakes. Example is Guru Gobind Sagar Bhakra Nangal project formed by damming the Satluj. Important lakes: drinking water, commercial purpose, intrinsic ecological value, shortage of water, prevention of flood, event flow of water, hydropower. ये अलग अलग जिले मेन पर्पज से बनाई गई हैं, या कुछ बनी हैं, उन्हें पढ़ें, न समझ में आए भी पूछें. नाउ नेक्स्ट डे.